It is surprising that people with the same history, culture, traditions, who continue to live together as one people, refuse to see themselves as an entity. No wonder Africa is finding it extremely difficult to unite. If you have not seen much developing during my reign of 25 years, then it is due let us preserve the past. Which is the wisdom of our ancestors. Shape the future. It is the only way we can avoid.
Torgbui na bujoa nafa. Fiola bo. Na bujoa nafa Torgbui. Egbe. Torgbui ji. Two. Jabani, Akpa, Jabani. Torgbui, Maraku Vio, wala tochi ba yo sauba.
Akpa. Honorable Chairman, Gabriel Wamiga Tanko Atople, Member of Council of State for the Volta region. His Royal Majesty, Aomafia, Torgbui Smith III, Menyibano. His Excellency, Aomajito Dan Akakpo Abodakpi, Menyibano. Torgbui Mamao Menyibana Mikata. The Honorable Minister, Honorable James Gunu, members of Parliament present, Anglo clan elders, the Agave clan elders, distinguished invited guests, the press. I count myself privileged for honoring the invitation to my Silver Jubilee celebration. We are gathered not only to honor 25 years of leadership, culture, and unity, but also to reflect on my journey as the 14th Abadada of Anglo-Duko. This quarter of a century of leadership, which is no small a milestone, started on 18th of September 2000. With my fellow clan chiefs, namely Torgbui Subo II and Torgbui Adelasi Kuto III. The above-mentioned chiefs were installed with me the same day. We were actively spiritually bonded by the late Torgbui Agbesi IV, Dumega Koku Agbeto Oka, the late Torgbui, known also as Toboko Abuflachidoglu Dogbevedo, the late Dumega Donosala, and others who spiritually supported me, I cannot mention now, who I did not know then. Final meeting to stamp my release, the Agave clan elders took place at Sri Koji of the late Torgbui the third, who was then Awomefia of Anglon. The second, sorry. Solidly supported by my late brother, Stephen Kofi Agbo, Edwin Achu Ditfield Agbo, my late sister Edwina Achupi Agbo, Anyable, Chudera Agbo, also known as Okromouth, my late uncle Frederick Vermegan, and my cousin Kwaukume, Joshua Kwaukume, Esther Kwaukume, and Cornelius Do Williams, all of blessed memory among others. Let me use this opportunity to acknowledge the late Dr. Liu Yao Kalaji, without whom the Wright family might not have been identified in the diaspora. He was one of my mentors. The same acknowledgement goes to his brother, Torgbui Honamato, also known as Vincent Kalaji, for his immense support during my installment as one of the elders of the Agave clan. Let me also use this opportunity to express my profound gratitude to the leadership and memberships of the United Volta Association of New York for the support they gave me 25 years ago. My church, the Evangelical Presbyterian Church of Ghana, Tema, did not turn their back to me. It would be suicidal if I failed to gratify my own, the Agbo family, especially my senior brother, Zikpito Edwin Achu Ditfield Agbo, without whom I would not have been known and identified for consideration for nomination to become Abadada of Anglon. To the Agbo family, to the Agbo and allied families, I say a big thank you. It is your support that have brought me this far. At this juncture, let me turn to my people, the leadership and the Agave Clan Association and its members. To you, I say thank you too. Honorable Chairman, Torgbui, Mamao, I chose preserving the past, shaping the future, celebrating 25 years of leadership, culture, and unity as the theme for my anniversary. It is to help us reflect into our past in order to use the past to guide us into our future. Our ancestors had no formal education, but it is their wisdom and values that shaped our knowledge systems that we have today. Preserving the past is to help us impact the wisdom of our ancestors to our generation, mostly through our culture, tradition, festival, and the chieftaincy institution. I wish not to bother you with my issues of the past 25 years. It was not easy, but Mao Sogbolisa made me prevail all. My expectation after becoming the Abadata of Anglo is to, with the collaboration of the other chiefs of Anglo, unite the chiefs of the 36 settlements that comprise Anglo. As I stand before you today, I want to admit without any reservation that my expectation has not been achieved. And as to if it will be achieved in the future, raises some doubt in my mind. The main reason for this is our failure to preserve the past, leading to the distortion of our history. Despite the challenges and sacrifices made in expectation that Anglo will unite, the sacrifices had not yielded the expected result due to multifaceted chieftaincy disputes coupled with post-colonial mechanisms such as ethnic, political, cultural manipulation, which continue to impose internal conflicts along ethnic lines to maintain disunity among us as a people. Unfortunately, the above-mentioned inferior communist tactics has succeeded on our blind side, plunging us as a people into disunity. It is surprising that people with the same history, culture, traditions, who continue to live together as one people, refuse to see themselves as an entity. No wonder Africa is finding it extremely difficult to unite. The fact is that when our detractors see any progressive moves leading to unity among us, they quickly come in to remind us of our wounds, our old wounds. I wish to use this occasion to appeal and remind all others that united we stand, divided we fall. If you have not seen much developing during my reign of 25 years. Then it is due to the numerous disputes dispute and conflicts that characterize my leadership. I am however proud to say that with all storms plugging along, culture through our Obechocho festival, championed education, promoted health, unity to a large extent. Honorable Chairman, Torgbui, Mamao, distinguished invited guests, I will celebrate my silver jubilee let us look forward with determination let us preserve the past. Which is the wisdom of our ancestors. Shape the future. It is the only way we can avoid.
Torgbui na bujoa nafa. Viola bo. Na bujoa nafa Torgbui. Egbe. Torgbui yiji.
In conclusion, let us strengthen unity as the engine of social progress. In the words of the great African-American scholar W.E.B. Du Bois, and I quote, "The cause of liberty is not the cause of race or a sect, a party or a class. It is the cause of humanity, the very birthright of humanity." Let me end by wishing you all well in your endeavor. Enjoy the day. I thank all those who have contributed to the success of my anniversary. Either through words of encouragement, financially, or prayers. May you be replenished fourfold. Mauso Golisa, Netu Chinami, Kata. Long live Anglo Duko, long live Agave clan, long live our motherland, Ghana.
Akpe. Akpa. Torgbui Akpa. Akpa kaka.